sabihin mo sa nagdadala ng kaso dito. Sir, waka mo sila. Sabihin mo, ano ba to? May bariyan kasi. Pero kung sasama ako sa iyo, huwag kang magtingin dyan, sasama ako sa iyo.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Total,
Maraming salamat, sir.
nandito naman tayo sa government facility.
Yes.
So, escape is not a problem. Impossible dream.
Thank you, sir.
Okay naman, Parado. Ang akin lang, I might not have the chance anymore to lecture on you na the serious implications nito.
Yes, sir.
We have withdrawn and then you allowed it to be brought to a body of which we are no longer a member. Isa yan. Kaya sabihin mo din sa prosecutor, sabi ni Mayor, kindly ponder on this seriously.
Thank you, sir.
Alam mo man, basa mo naman siguro, nag-withdraw na tayo. So, bakit mo ako dalhin doon sa international body na hindi tayo membro? Kung balang araw, per chance, kung isa sa inyo magkakaroon ng kaso, at joking ko yung mga politika to, alam mo naman politika ito. Sabi ko siguro, doon, hatakin mo yan doon sa, maligayahan kayo yan. I'm reminding you, not because I want to, I'm not berating you actually. I'm giving you a lecture na ponder on it seriously because magkakaroon ito ng implication. Una-una, I don't know about, but my family, lalo na si Vice President, ikaw bukas presidente yan. Was-wasa yung lahat dito. Or on a longer term, kung tatakbo yan, mananalo yan. Dahil nga sa ginawa ninyo tuloy yung ano. Hindi kasi ako ang kiusap. Kung ako ang kausap mo kanina sabihin ko sa iyo kutsi mo, dali mo dyan sa sasakay ako.
Yes, thank you, sir. And then, sir, may bus tayo dyan sa labas. Kasama, sir, ang family mo, sir.
Hindi ko na, wala. Iiwan ko na.
You can have a choice of 3 other companions, sir. Please.
Wala. Abogado siguro.
Yes, sir.
Wala man kayong wala. What's the worst that, kasi ito rin, what's the worst that they can, malayo masyado yung Hague.
Doon ka nga dalahin eh.
Hindi nga papayag ang Supreme Court dyan. May mga abogado.
They're actually breaking you today. Yun ang sinabi niya. General Torre.
That is kidnapping. That is
Kidnapping.
kidnapping.
Please answer that, Mr. President, on the proper forum. Andito naman mga abogado niyo. Okay na sila.
Kaya nga, but sabihin mo yung ICC is out of the question.
Why did he say it like that? This guy is definitely doing something sussy again. I can't believe he just said that and then went inside his house. Guys, I don't know what he's doing, but he needs to know that I'm not. I'm gonna find out what.